Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can build an AI research agent using RelevanceAI, which is an absolutely incredible tool. I love this tool, I love this platform. What you're able to build on this is so cool, and it's really helpful for integrating into other automations, make automations and things of that nature. But yeah, so this video is going to be short and snappy. Basically what I've got is, I am going to be following the guide on our learning center. So if you want to set this up for yourself, you can come to our learning center and we have a full guide on how you can set this up. So I'm going to be walking through today and basically following this guide and setting it up. It's very, very simple, and you can do this on a free RelevanceAI account. And if you're wondering who I am or you're new to this channel, basically my name's Finley. I run an AI automation agency. Thankfully I've got a tab open, I didn't put that there. And basically what we do is we build custom AI solutions for businesses. But anyway, now that's out the way, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so onto the setup. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head to relevanceai.com. And once you head here, you want to sign up, create a new account, and this is what you're going to see when you log in. And you're going to want to come down to the agents section and hit new agent. And once you hit new agent, this is basically the agent builder, where you can create your agent, you can prompt it, you can add tools, there's a flow builder, there's all sorts. So as you can see here, the first step is sign up, and then the second step is to clone the required tools, but I'm going to show you how to do that in a second, so don't worry about that. Here's where we are here. So we're creating a new agent, and name, you could use a description to name your agent. We're just going to call it the AI lead research agent, and then tutorial, so I don't get it messed up with my other one. And then the agent description, we have a perfect copy and paste here that we're going to steal. That should do, boom boom boom, and paste that in. So basically this is just a brief description of what the agent can do. I think this is mainly for the user interface to direct the user on how to use the agent, but the main part of it is the core instructions, which is the big system prompt. And luckily for you guys, I have this all pasted in here. Obviously you can tweak this if you want, but basically I'll quickly run through it. So the role: you're a helpful lead scraping and enrichment agent that generates high quality information and details about provided leads. You excel at taking simple URLs and company names and conducting in-depth research. Task: use Google to find LinkedIn URLs for specific companies. Conduct in-depth research on LinkedIn and company websites to gather as much relevant information as possible. Identify key decision makers within the business and extract contact details where available. And here's an example, which is just my business. So this is an example output, and there's a couple important notes at the end. So a very, very basic prompt. Okay, finally got it copied. So this basic prompt, you don't need to do too much prompting with relevance, because you're prompting it how to use the tools, and you're also we're going to be using a flow builder, so you don't need to write a big massive crazy prompt. This is just nice and basic, and we're going to come here and we're going to paste that in. Beautiful. So role, boom, task, boom. What we're going to do is I'm going to add some markdown just to make it look a bit nicer, so I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, so that's the core instructions done, but in order for our agent to actually go and research the web and research LinkedIn, we need to equip it with tools, okay? And that's step 2. So basically, if you come to tools, you can equip your agent with tools, okay? And you're not going to have any tools here, so what you're going to have to do is, actually let me just confirm and save this. Make sure you save your agent. So now that the agent is saved, we're going to come over to tools, and there's loads of tools here, and thankfully for us, we don't actually have to create any tools because they're all made by the community and some by Relevance themselves. So the tools that we are looking for have been listed here. So we're looking for Google search, company research with LinkedIn, lead enrichment tool, company research with website, and you can also add additional tools, but these are the main essential ones that we're going to be dealing with today. So if you just look through, these are the agents. We're looking for, what was it again? So company with LinkedIn, there's one of them there, company research with website, and then you can just type in Google search, you want to clone that one. When I say clone, you just hit clone, excuse me, and then you just need to fire in these details, Europe, and I'm not going to do this because, actually no, it doesn't show the thing. So you just clone it into your organization and your project, boom, and then once you've done that, you're good to go. And then the last one is the lead enrichment tool. So if we just come up here and type in lead enrichment tool. So once you've cloned those 4 in, you're good to go. So go back to your agent and hit edit agent, and then come to tools, and here we'll be able to see them all. So there's one of them there, there's one of them there. Is it the no, it's not. It's Google search, and what was the last one? Company LinkedIn, boom boom boom. and lead enrichment tool. So let's find the lead enrichment tool, add. So now our agent now has these tools in its inventory, I guess you can say, and it's able to use them, okay? But we need to tell it how to use it, right? Because, you know, we need to give it some direction. So if you come to the tools section and click on the tools, it basically, there's a couple settings that you need to change. So you want to put this option, the approval mode is auto run. Basically, if it's not auto run, the agent doesn't know, it won't automatically use the tool, like approval required or let agent decide. But if you just put it on auto run, because these are the essentials, it's going to just run it automatically, which is exactly what we need. So now we need to prompt the agent on how to use these tools, and luckily for us I have created the exact prompts and how you add it in. So okay, so build a flow, scroll down to no, that's the flow builder, configure tool use. So the Google search, that is how we're going to use the tool. So we're going to copy and paste that, and we're going to add this in here into the Google one. So how is the agent going to use the prompt? It's going to search for the company provided by the user, find their website URL and their LinkedIn company URL. Brilliant. So now we're going to get the LinkedIn research. We're going to copy that, boom, 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 come up here, and then company research with LinkedIn. Scrape the company details using the URLs from the Google search. Lovely. And the company research with the website, we're going to copy that as well. And we're going to come down, where did it go? There it is. We're going to paste it here. And then the last one, the lead enrichment tool. Where are you? There you are. Enrich leads by gathering additional information. Just very, very basic prompts. But I mean, these models are smart and it kind of understands the gist of things. So now we have a agent created. It has core instructions and it has tools. So we could in theory use it now, but what we're going to do to add some additional functionality is we're going to build out the flow. Now the flow just is the icing on the top. It just gives the agent full direction on how to use the tools. So basically what this allows you to do is it just map out an example kind of conversation or task that the agent will be running. So the first things first is this is the flow. So the first thing is input processing. So the first step, typically the agent will receive some information from the user, typically a URL or a lead that they want research. So we're just going to come here and paste that in. So that's the first instruction. Then we're going to add another one, instruction. And you can also add conditions, as you can see. So if this, then that kind of thing. But we're keeping it basic today. We don't need to do any of that. LinkedIn analysis. So after the user inputs the lead, it's going to use Google to find the company URL, and then it's going to extract the LinkedIn URL and perform a detailed analysis. And then we paste that in there. And then the next one is going to be the website one, I believe. Company research with the website. Beautiful. So we're going to copy that. We're going to come back. We're going to, oh, we've already added a step, look at that. Paste that in, company research, beautiful. And then the last step is going to be lead enrichment, I believe, output formatting, which takes into consideration the other tool. And then paste that in there, beautiful. And that's pretty much it. So we've got a flow, so the agent, and it didn't take me that long to build before I had that. So everything's just in there nice and easy. And then there's a couple last things that we can do. So if you come to advanced settings, there's a few other things that you can tweak. You can tweak the temperature, the model, instructions for naming the tasks, guiding the user, how to use the agent, a welcome message. You can put a default prompt for parent agents. So if you want to give another agent, for example, maybe a lead scraper, you could give a lead scraper to this agent. So whenever a lead is scraped from a lead scraping agent, it could hand it over to this agent and it's able to research the lead that's scraped. That's just an example, but we're not going to need it to do any of that today. Excuse me. So save the changes and we'll give it a test. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll use my company. So I'll say, please research RelevanceAI, the AI agency. Search. Oh, that's done. Search. Okay, so literally like 5 seconds after I said that, hit finish. So as you can see, all this information was taken just from a company name and a little bit of information about it. So founded 2023, bespoke AI solutions including phone and text-based agents, industry, artificial intelligence, team size, small team, URL, company summary, is a leading provider of AI. Oh, well, leading, oh, thank you very much. Helping businesses overcome challenges such as time-consuming manual processes, missed opportunities, and low website conversions. This is perfect. Their offerings include AI lead magnets and conversion kits that provide personalized engagement, lead enrichment. See how accurate this is. It's incredible. RelevanceAI is positioned as a promising player in the AI section. Beautiful. Key people, Finley Topping, LinkedIn profile, background, focuses on leveraging AI to help businesses convert website traffic into paying clients, involving operational strategies. That's Thomas, my partner, contributing to the company's growth and efficiency. How crazy is that? How crazy is that? That is so accurate. So much better than Perplexity or Search GPT. It's absolutely crazy. So give me a second to go find another company and we'll give this a test. Okay, so what I've done is I've looked up law firms in London and I've came to the first result. Brandsmith's UK leading boutique law firm. Did I just say that wrong? Boutique? Who cares? Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to say, great, now research this lead. We're going to give them the website. Or should we give them the website? Yeah, we'll give them the website. We'll give them a break. Okay, so the output has been finished. So found it. It's not able to find the founding years, but been open for over 10 years, specializing in intellectual property law services. So let's just make sure that everything's okay. All IP related matters from the world's biggest brand and entrepreneurs. Boom, boom, boom. It looks well. Who's the CEO? Let's see, because it says here that the CEO is key people, Adam Morale and Michael Forrester. Adam Raleigh, boom boom, beautiful. Don't know where your other man is, but regardless, very, very impressive what this can do. Okay, so it's able to research a company, provide a very, very concise summary, and get the key people, get their LinkedIn profiles. Very, very nice. Okay, so I mean that's pretty much it. We could go all day running through different companies, but that's the lead research agent in a nutshell. You can add so much more onto this, and then what you can also do is you can tie this into your automations. It's just absolutely incredible. I love the team at RelevanceAI for building such a great platform. If you're watching this, Relevance, thank you very much. I absolutely love your platform. This is some feedback, but I had a little question, so make sure you get back to that question ASAP. I'm having a little bit of a hiccup, but anyway, guys, listen. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and yep, have a great day.